Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing access and getting a clean data set. Log in with your admin account and enable two-factor authentication. This prevents access issues later. Once logged in, open the organization profile and confirm payroll and legal entity settings so records import correctly. Next, map your core fields employee ID, department, hire date, salary, and build a small CSV sample of about 50 rows to test. If the sample imports cleanly, proceed, otherwise correct field formats and try again. Once your data imports correctly, configure the system modules you need and adjust settings for each. You enable payroll, time off, benefits, and performance modules, then assign roles with least privilege access so managers see only their teams. Next, design approval workflows and notification rules. Make sure escalation and SLA times are clear so actions do not stall. Integrate timekeeping or payroll APIs and run sandbox tests for a pay period. If errors appear, inspect mapping logs and correct field types before continuing. Now you prepare for go-live by running parallel processes and validating results. You execute a trial payroll, compare totals to your legacy system, and reconcile discrepancies. Make sure benefits and deductions calculate as expected. Train a small pilot group and collect their feedback to refine workflows and UI hints before full rollout. Once satisfied, schedule final cutover and take a full backup. If something goes wrong, check import logs for field mismatches and verify API tokens and permission scopes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.